So we have Wimbledon here. Let's see what's in a Wimbledon. This one is similar to the World Series 96, but doesn't have any gold here like the other one did. If you look at this one, there's gold over here, gold over here, gold over there. This one doesn't have that. So NFL 95. Let's see what's in that one. This one's a bigger chip. Okay, let's see. So again, you got the gold pins and the IC chips. Lots of IC chips, and I'm sure these have a ton of gold in them compared to more recent ones. And I'm sure, at least hopefully someone will comment that has more experience with these type of IC chips. Maybe they could tell us a little more about them. So prime time one, yeah, same thing. You have lots of IC chips, gold pins. This one, see, this is why I'm not selling them. You see the battery, the save battery is all dead and kind of like bubbling up. There's also again, where the battery is, there's corrosion on the connectors. So even if I were to sell them, it's more of a hassle, let's say. Like I said, it's more fun than making the video. So we have greatest heavyweights. This one, again, nothing too super special. You got the IC chips and the gold pins. And that's what it looks like. I think most of them are going to be like that. Ooh, this one has a weird pattern. Some kind of weird triangle pyramid type screw thing. We'll do that one last. We'll do the easy ones first. This one is a security torque screw. That's security torque screws. I haven't seen that one in old consoles before. I've seen those torque screws mostly on newer consoles. So College Slam. Again, this one I guess has the IC chips. It doesn't have too many gold pins in the front, but a full set in the back. Board looks a little different. It's kind of like a olive green board, but all about the same. It has the IC chips, the gold. I'm almost sure all of them are going to be like that.